Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the home of cookbook recipes as we continue to discover the different recipes that are in this book, Gut Check by Dr. Gundry. I hope you enjoyed the yogurt, the goat milk yogurt video that we did. I hope you tried the recipe. I hope you've gotten the book, guys, because now today we are going to try out a new recipe. Let me show you the book for those who don't know the book. This is a book. We've already tried one recipe from it, a frozen goat yogurt recipe, and we are going to make Fudgy Miso Brownies. These brownies are not only rich and chocolatey, but also gut friendly. Of course, the book has everything to do with gut check. So if the book has information about gut check, so this particular recipe should be gut friendly. Yeah. I've not tried out this particular recipe, so I'm believing it's really nice because, of course, his recipes are sweet, they are nice. I hope this one too will be nice. Like I said in the previous video, this particular book has no photos for the recipes, so I'm here to show you what you will get when you make these particular recipes. And as always, you need to get the book to get the exact measurements for the ingredients, because I don't do that here. We don't do that here. So let's see what we are working with so that we can begin. Now, disclaimer before I begin, in case this one backfires on us. Of course, the oven is preheating. The baking tin that we need, or baking pan, is a 9 by 13 inch. I don't have a 9 by 13 inch. What I have is smaller and the other ones are bigger, so I don't have a 9 by 13. I've done some improvisation. I will show you. Number 2, the book uses powdered allulose. I don't have allulose. I've tried to look for allulose in Kenya. I've not seen, but for now, before we get allulose, we're going to use monk food sweetener, like we used it in the in the yogurt, frozen yogurt video. So I'm going to have powdered my monk food sweetener with a spice grinder into a powdered form. So yeah, I think those were the things to note before we start. So let me show you what we are working with. And karibu sana, sana sana. So this is what we are working with today. This is some almond flour. This is some egg whites. This is some cocoa powder. This is a powdered monk fruit sweetener. I have some vanilla. I have some miso paste. And guys, this is the first time I'll be trying something that has miso paste. That's why I tell you, I love cookbooks. They introduce you to different things that you didn't even have an idea of. I have some salt and I have some sesame seed oil. That's all we have. Let me show you what I was talking about. So this is what I was saying when I was talking about the baking pan. I have this. Then I have this. Don't fall down. I have this cake. Do I call it a ring or what do I call it? I think it's a cake ring. Yeah, it's a rectangle cake ring. Yeah? As you can see, it's like that. You can pull apart the other side. So I bought this thing because these recipes have a lot of cake tin sizes that you need to buy. So I'm like, if this can help, then this will be a nice addition to this kitchen. So this is the first time I'm trying it out. I've never used it. So what I've decided to do is open it up a bit like that. Then I put the parchment paper inside. So we need a 9 by 13. So this is the farthest it can go. This is 11.5 by 11.5. That's what we're going to use. Yes, that's what I'll use, because guys, I don't have the 9 by 13 baking pan. So hopefully it will work. We are going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. That's my almond flour, the powdered monk fruit sweetener, the cocoa powder, and the salt. So we'll mix this, and then we set aside that we can mix our wet. So for the wet, we have the egg whites, our miso paste, our oil, and the vanilla. The book says you can save time by doing this in a blender or a food processor. Let me try and mix first. If it doesn't work, then I get the blender or the food processor. Yeah! Look at that, guys. It looks nice. Looks nice. Looks nice. Looks nice. So here we are, guys. Now we are supposed to mix the wet and the dry. We will fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients until you form a thick batter with no dry spots. So we fold the wet to the dry. Here is our butter. We are going to pour it here and then we bake it for 18 to 20 minutes. We are back, guys. It's out of the oven and it has cooled to room temperature. That's what the book says. So we slice so that we can taste. We see. Yep, look at that. Look at that. At least our improvisation worked. Yeah. So let's slice. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So time to taste. It smells nice. Guys, this is really nice. When I had laid all the ingredients for this particular recipe, the miso paste had a really strong smell. So, wow, I thought these brownies will have that strong miso paste smell, but it's not there. And they're really nice, really, really nice. If you love brownies, guys, please try out this particular recipe because these brownies have a rich fudgy flavor. Try out this particular recipe. So far, 2 recipes down from Gut Check by Dr. Gundry, and I am enjoying, I am loving every bit of it. Like I said, this particular book has no photos for the recipe, so you will rely on me to show you the end product, and this is the end product, guys. It looks really nice, doesn't take a lot of time, and it's not complicated, and the ingredients are not that complicated. Yeah, everything I've seen it. The only thing that I didn't find was the allulose, and I used the monk fruit sweetener, and guys, it has not disappointed. It has come out nicely. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you get to enjoy. I hope I hope you've enjoyed this particular video. I hope you get to try this recipe, get this book. Let's enjoy, let's learn about our gut health. And guys, if you have this information written by someone, let's take advantage of it. Let's educate ourselves on health issues. So that's it for today, guys. Bye bye and God bless.